Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Tech It Simple channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Drive on iPhone. But before getting started, let's have a little information about Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage service which allows users to store files in the cloud, and we can also share files through Google Drive. So, to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the App Store. On the search bar, type Google Drive. Then, it will lead you to the Google Drive application. Tap on Get to download. Wait for a second. Now, double-click on the right side button to confirm. After that, it will verify your iCloud account with a face scanner. Just a few more seconds, and you have easily downloaded Google Drive on your iPhone device. If you found this tutorial easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification bell so you do not miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.